Hello, welcome, Williams, Philippines. I'm William. Uh, I hope you've had a good day. I had a great day. I'm exhausted. It is 6:04 p.m. and I'm ready for this day to be over with. Yeah. Riding the motorcycle, little scooter, is more exercise than I remember. Of course, when I was really riding motorcycles, I was very young. Didn't wasn't carrying an extra 30 kilos, 65 pounds. I just got back, sat down to do this, and I ate just before I got here. So all of a sudden, my belly is full, and yeah, I'm ready to call it a day. Anyway, looked at a few helmets everywhere from about $40 to 400. Yeah, I'm not too sure about the. I think they were trying to sell me a bicycle helmet. It looked like a motorcycle helmet, but yeah, I don't think that was right. Uh, but they only wanted $40 for it. Uh, so yeah, 2,000 pesos, a little over. Uh, that's okay. Yeah, I could just lean back here and go to sleep right now. Had a bunch of food, bunch of friends and family and such. So yes, I found the light. Well, I didn't find it. I knew where it was and went to it this time, and actually got the road right to get there. So now, because I know where there is, I know how to make the adjustment over to the other one to see my friends over there. So, yay! Stopped off there and had a buku juice, coconut juice, and uh, an avocado mango ice cream cone. A whopping 20 pesos. Yeah. While I was sitting at the park enjoying the coconut juice, uh, yeah, it's about the slowest period I had of all day. I don't know how much I spent on gas. I'll have to try to fill it up in the morning before I get out of here too far. Uh, and then, oh, sorry, I am tired. I've had a very long, blessed day, and I'm wore out. And yeah, riding the motorcycle is definitely core exercise. Works the back, the gut. This to keep you straight up while everything else is moving around. Fun stuff. It's good though. And I got here and my blood pressure was a bit up. 142 over 87. So not really bad, especially considering it's been a long day and I just came up the stairs with a sack of sodas, stopped off and got those. My whole day minus gas, like 500 pesos, $10. Add in the gas, I figure $3. about 150, 160 pesos, if my guesstimate is right. So yeah, I had a very filling, full day for 13 bucks, and that was out and about and buying ice cream. Not a big one, but hey, uh, fresh made ice cream. So I'm not going to complain about it. Oh, dang. What I'm going to complain about is I got no bloody energy. I'm wore out. Uh, but I've had fun. I didn't look at any bikes today. Well, I saw a couple on the road that I took a gander at, but I didn't stop and ask for price. I looked at a couple of hotels, or not hotels, but apartments. I lived in the hotel. Uh, yeah, okay. Yeah, definitely on the wore out side. I hope you all have had a blessed day. I don't know what all is going over there. I have actually managed to not see the news in it pretty much any way other than catching a guy that does the weather for, oh yeah, West Pacific. In other words, Philippines. Uh, that's closest to weather I've seen. I haven't even tried to watch YouTube's about anything doing with the U.S. So if y'all decided to burn it all down, I understand. Please just leave the Social Security alone. It's about all I can say for it. Uh, I'm going to call it. Oh, yeah. I hope you've had a blessed day and enjoyed your day as much as I did. Uh, if you're as wore out as I am, I hope it's from playing and not working. If it's from working, I hope it's soon to be done with forever. Get your Social Security and retire someplace where you can afford to retire, which pretty much isn't America. So it is what it is. Anyway, I'm William, Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you? You've got it figured out, I hope. If you don't, well, work between your, left ear, right ear, or left ear, right ear, heart, head, and God. That's your department. Don't worry about other people. Just leave them alone. Hopefully, they'll leave you alone and let you work on you. I'm going to try to work on me by getting some sleep. Oh, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and more food. I'm William Williams, Philippines. This is Fish, and hey, Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye.